Welcome to part 2, where we start off by cleaning the inside of the case. We use this clay to pick up little specks off the glass. It pays to be very meticulous during this process. You want the inside of the case pristine before you put the movement into it. And we'll get a few specks on the outside of the case cleaned up as well. That looks pretty good. Now we'll get the movement placed into the case. And we'll take care to make sure it sits in there just perfectly. And that's just about got it. Let's take a look here. Yep, that's good. Next I need to cut the stem to length. The crown is spring-loaded. Modern calipers are digital. This set's older than I am. It still works well though. Measure it twice, cut once. I'm measuring this with the spring-loaded crown depressed. With the crown off the stem, we'll use the other side of the calipers to measure where to cut. With the cut made, it's time to file down the edges here. Then we'll put the crown back on the stem and the stem into the watch to see how we did with the cut. Thankfully, it seems like I measured correctly. Fits well. With the crown back off the stem though, I'll use some Loctite and put the crown back on the stem once again. And the stem back through the case into the movement. And I'm pretty happy with that. Looks good. Now it's time to clean up the case back and install that on the back of the case. Again, we're looking for every little tiny speck. Get it out of there. And that looks pretty clean. The case back gasket goes on first, then the case back itself. And we'll screw that in place. Just wipe the outside real quick, flip it over. Next is going to be the bezel insert. Stick around for part 3, see how that goes.